Alright, so this is going to be a cold start of the new Cummins 5.0 and the Nissan Titan XD. It's currently 7 degrees out, so this proved to you that it's cold start. Obviously it's cold. So let's see how it does. We'll give the glow plugs a couple seconds to warm up too there. So. Well, she obviously didn't like that very much. Probably should let the glow plugs warm up a little longer, but yeah, so I'll be doing more videos coming up as far as the Nissan Titan goes. I'll be doing just owner reviews. Currently has 7,000 miles on the truck, so, and I've made trips across country, so I'll let you know how that was, and yeah, more to come. Stay tuned.